Okay, whatever you want us to do today, we can do that.
Okay. All right. You guys should join me. You guys should join me on the YouTube.
The YouTube is not is on.
Yeah.
Okay, we can have it. Okay, yeah, I guess it now.
Something. Okay, today I'm gonna introduce you guys to something new called Ansible-Navigator. Who has heard of Ansible Navigator?
I've used it a little bit to run.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. Someone has used it. Who else?
I heard about
Guys, let me hear you guys on YouTube. Let me get you guys on YouTube. Who else? Who else? All right. What did we say about the Ansible? What did we say about the Ansible configuration file? What is peculiar about the Ansible configuration file? Right, Ansible-Navigator makes things makes things easier, and it really works well, and it makes support of Ansible a little bit easier. So what did we say about the Ansible configuration file? What's peculiar about that file? So Salva, you build one server and you clone it 3 times, okay?
okay.
Yes, Alan, thank you. What did we say about, Alan should help us. What did we say is peculiar about the Ansible configuration file?
Can I say something?
Yes.
You said when you create our Ansible configuration file, we must create it in our project directory so that
Okay.
it will be more easier for us um to use it into our project directory.
Okay. What else did we say?
And our configuration file must be hidden for security purposes, and also we must use it and enable our users to be able to SSH easily into our configuration file or project directory. That's what I can say.
We must do what?
We must use our user that we did created before, be able
Mm-hmm.
to navigate inside our project directory more easily.
Okay. What else?
We have two different type of configuration file. You have the default one, and you have the uh, other one. I think is I don't remember the name, but we have two different type, right? We have two different type, and it's more easier to use the second one, I think.
There is a priority order in the configuration file, and the one from the home directory take over the other one. And the default one is the priority number 3.
The default one is priority number 3.
Yeah, I mean that the number 1 that the system will take is the one that we create from the home directory. The second one is the hidden one, and the third one will be the default config one.
Okay, great. All right. Okay, you guys give me 1 second. I am trying to do something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What am I looking for? I'm looking for something. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I do this. Okay, 220. 10.12.22.2 220. .12.22.220. 220. Yeah. What? Can't get in. It's 10.12.50. Oh boy. Look at the time that I thought I'm gonna catch up so bad. Salva, you've taken my time.
You can stop sharing
Just
while
be ready to pay. You've consumed my time because of your wrong image.
I can stop sharing.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, let me share my screen. No. Okay. Let me see if you guys are on YouTube so we can start. Great. Okay, ready your two screens today, please, please, please. Ready your two screens. Leon, you don't have your two screens, do you?
I'm about to put in my HDMI cable right now, and I got two screens.
Okay.
I'm just using my TV.
Okay, that's fine. So far as you have two screens, you're good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What am I looking for? All right, I'm in 1. I'm in 2. Clear.
So should we have two screens for today's session?
For this session?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because I don't.
I mean, you'll be fine.
Okay, thank you.
You'll be fine. At least you won't get confused. That I know. If you can score 300 on RHCE, then you won't get confused.
Okay.
Okay, let me bring my whiteboard. Even if you get confused, you can catch up. So we don't care about you. All right. Okay, so I thought I'm sharing already. Share screen number 2. Share. Boom. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
All right. So with Red Hat last week we saw, with Ansible. Last week we saw that with Ansible you can literally have a user in the So we saw that in Ansible, you can literally have a user in multiple systems, and because you know the password to those systems, you can use one user here and you log into all those systems. Is that true? Yes, because if I know from here I can SSH to here, from here I can say SSH to here, from here I can SSH to here, provided I know a user that's in here, in here, in here. Is that true? Great. I can see someone responding. All right, so that's set and done. So we saw the Ansible configuration file, the Ansible config file, which we saw the order in which the file is being read by Ansible. So we said the first one that's read first is what? Is the configuration file in the project directory. The second one is a hidden file in your home directory, right? And the third one is what? What's the third one? The third one is the default file, which is in /etc Ansible, which is in /default /etc/Ansible. Great. So today I'm introducing you to something new. You see, now with Ansible, a lot of people faced issues because maybe you want some help, right? Because Ansible was rewritten. It was rewritten, and I think it was version 2.9. Everything changed in Ansible. A lot of things changed. Now imagine that you're having an issue with Ansible. Okay. Who is Ken? Is Ken here or just watching online? Is Ken here in class?
I think you got a lot of extra people on there.
I saw some new people on YouTube.
Tech Guru Matter. I don't know who that is.
Ken? No, we don't. I don't know Ken.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, he's watching online.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, so that's that. Now, with Ansible Navigator, what happened is everything was compiled. I was saying that when you have an issue with Ansible, maybe you want to go online and look for a solution. You're running Ansible 2.9. Someone is running maybe 2.10. Another person is running 2.12, right? All these are different versions of Ansible, and of course they will behave differently, right? Because they are different versions. Now, what happened is Ansible was compiled into a container. They compiled it into one single container, right? They did compile it into one single container and used Ansible-Navigator. Ansible-Navigator, which has a kind of a containerized environment as you know it. Ansible-Navigator, that is, they compile all that into a container, which now the execution environment of Ansible is inside the container. Now, when you pass the Ansible-Navigator, your Ansible configuration file, it uses now that as the config file for Ansible. It doesn't use the configuration file that is within the containerized solution of Ansible. Is that understood? Kind of the way we did it with RHCE CSA, right? Where if you have a file outside, that file is linked to a file that is inside the container. We saw this, right? Hello? Yes, great. Like there's a file outside, there's another inside. Great, just think about it like that, okay? Now, when you create an ansible.cfg or .ansible.cfg, Ansible-Navigator will take that as the configuration environment. Now, the Ansible-core is living within the container. Everything that Ansible needs to run, everything is living within the container. What it just asks you is what? It just asks you what? Your configuration file. Now, Ansible-Navigator is a tool, but there is a container image that we will download. We will install Ansible-Navigator and download a container image, which we're going to use for our Ansible environment. We'll pull that image down. And now create our configuration file, and we are good to go. And the Ansible-Navigator-YAML is a config file. So instead of having one configuration file, you have two configuration files. You have a configuration file for Ansible-core, right? That will be consumed Ansible.cfg, .cfg. The config file is Ansible.cfg, the package is Ansible-core. So we'll have a config file for this. We'll have a config file for Ansible-Navigator. This is too zoom out. We'll have a config file for Ansible-Navigator-.yaml, right? In that file, we will tell Ansible-Navigator that we have installed, where to go get the container, and how to run that container, where to get other things. We can create other things that it will get it as we proceed, you'll see it. The Ansible-navigator.yaml command works exactly the same as what? The Ansible.cfg. If Ansible.navigator package does not see the first stage, well, it's first the execution environment. If it doesn't see Ansible.navigator.yaml in the execution environment, it looks in the project directory. If it doesn't see in the project directory, it looks in your home directory. If it does not see there before, it default to what? etc. What? It default to the configuration file that's actually running. Okay. Great. Now, if your system is registered, are you guys seeing my screen? Okay. So to install Ansible-navigator, you can just do Ansible. You can run the installation easily just by installing yum install Ansible-navigator. If you already have your Ansible core installed, you can just install Ansible-navigator, which is something that I want you guys to install.
You want us to do that on our node one, Professor?
We explained last week that there is something called the Ansible controller, and the Ansible controller you install it on the Ansible controller, your Ansible controller. That's where you install it on. The Ansible controller manages other hosts. So if we install it on node 1, what will happen to the controller?
What do we install install Ansible-navigator?
Yes. So most of you guys got registered to Red Hat, the Red Hat developers account, because that will give you access to the Red Hat Ansible automation platform, which is something that they use. Let me see. Are we good? Hello?
Mine says no argument like Ansible-navigator.
You say there's nothing like Ansible-Navigator. Did you spell it well?
Yes.
Can you type it on the screen really quick so I can see the spelling?
Sorry, this thing is installing. Okay. Ansible-Navigator. Right here. Yum install Ansible-Navigator. Great, mine is already installed. Ken Cash is saying,
Sir, I have a question, sir. Please.
yes, question.
Sorry, the controller in question, I don't really know how to do that.
Who is
The
that?
It's Felix.
Felix, did you attend the last classes?
The last one at yes, I attended.
Okay, what did we say was the Ansible controller?
That part I think I missed it. I missed
Okay,
that part.
this
Yeah.
is why I am saying that, and
Yeah.
I said that nobody should be left behind.
Yeah.
Now, if you want to be left behind, it's your problem. It's not mine. You need to do your work, all of you guys.
Yeah.
Ken Cash, I have, he's saying how much does he need to renew his stuff. All right, I'll send you an email where you can renew it and you can work on it. We have like a pretty much good setup that we work with. So, okay, great. If it's installed, is it installed? Now, if I do Ansible dash navigation dash version. Oh, sorry, navigator. Oh, Lord Jesus Christ. What am I typing? Navigator dash version, which will show you the version of the Ansible Navigator that you're running. Now, you ask yourself, what is this Ansible Navigator, right? What is Ansible Navigator? Ansible Navigator is just an execution environment for Ansible. So it runs the automation for you. It runs the automation for you, okay? It runs everything for you. So it automates everything. Now, you have to install Ansible-Navigator, which is the software that helps you in running Ansible that way, okay? Now, you guys remember that we did have a container. We did containerization, and you guys, all of you guys here passed your RHCSE, CSA. And now facing RHCE. Already, you're not new to containerization because I think nearly all of you had 100% on containers. Great. So now that it is installed, right? Now that our Ansible-Navigator is installed, we did Ansible-version. We can see the version of the Ansible-Navigator that we are running, right? We can see it, the version that we are running. The next thing that we can do is actually create our config files, right? We need to create our config files because installing the application is not just enough to have it running. No, we install the application. Now the application exists within the server, okay? Let me see, where's my whiteboard? Okay, so we've installed the application. As I was saying, we have installed the Ansible-Navigator application. Is everybody good now? Can we continue? Guys, type. We've installed the application. Last week we installed Ansible. So we've installed the application. Whose own is still fetching? Komi say he can't install. Why?
I was not able to install it. I don't know why it's not going.
Is your DNS working? Is your
Uh,
DNS working? These are the kind of things that I'm saying. Okay. For a moment, you guys should share your screens. This installation is very important. Let me stop sharing my own screen. If you share your screen and you didn't do like the preps at home, then it's gonna be a problem.
Can I share, sir?
Yes.
already shared. Can you see my screen?
I think I did. Let me stop sharing and let you share.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Who is sharing? Mama?
1 second. Hold up, guys.
Your screen share can only be seen by your host.
Yeah. Let me see. Who is sharing?
Uma.
Muma.
Yes.
Do your repo list.
What did you get? I don't know.
How many packages did you see? Okay, 30. Great. Do yum install Ansible-Navigator.
Is that it?
Install. What are you typing wrong? Can you write it?
Right.
Okay, can't find the package. You have 30,000 packages enabled. And automation platform should already be there. Yum, repo list, -v. We have the same amount of packages. Why should you not see it? 30,246. How many packages? Wait. How many packages do you have? 30,246. It's already installed on mine. Let me see.
Same problem I'm having.
Okay, maybe it's not enabled. You need to enable it. You need to enable it. Wow, yeah. So try to enable that repository. Do subscription manager enable repos Ansible automation platform 2.4.
I put it into the chat, sir.
Sure.
Thank you. I thought those 30,000 packages had it.
Subscription manager enable.
Automation platform. Let me allow you others see your screen. Everyone should turn off their camera. Everyone. Alain, please help us turn off your camera.
I'm just turning off,
Amina,
sir.
straight. Parfait, everyone. Okay. Because I don't want to share you guys on YouTube. Okay.
Jiftech,
Yes.
I was
Subscription.
having the same issue, but I used the Python 3 to install.
No.
Okay.
No. Uninstall it. Why did you use Python 3?
Because I had used it before.
Okay.
Because it was giving me the same error, basically.
Do not do that.
Okay.
I know why I don't want you to go that route.
So, I'm supposed to write subscription manager enable automation platform.
Yes. Enable. Can you SSH into this server, please? SSH so that I can copy something and give you and you paste it.
What is
You're asking me.
you mean I should SSH into a server? Which one? Okay, you mean yeah, fine. I didn't understand the context. I get it. Okay, let me just check the IP to be sure.
So do subscription. Wait, when you SSH inside, can someone share? Someone that is Swift.
Yeah.
Someone that is Swift.
I
Are you
just did.
SSH? Did you use SSH, please? Okay, you're inside. All right. Make it large. Increase it.
Mm.
We can access to the share screen.
Oh, okay. Let me remove
You're
this
talking to
one.
me, right? Yeah.
Stop focus mode. Can you guys see it now?
No,
You can see it.
no, we can see the screen.
Stop and share again.
Okay.
Share again.
Okay, for me, I'm already in.
Now, yeah, we can see it.
Share again, Leon.
You see mine?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Do subscription manager list available. Let me see.
You said available?
Subscription dash manager list available. Always use it. Tab.
Tab not working.
Because your command is wrong.
Subscription manager list available.
The subscription manager is wrong. Subs tab.
Subscription.
Yes,
Mhm.
list available. Your available is wrong. Is your available correct? List dash available dash put dash available.
The tab's not working.
Dash available, not
Oh,
tab.
dash.
Sean.
No, look. Can Mimi.
Can you increase your font size so others can see?
Mommy.
How do I increase my
Right click on it. Right here. Right, no. Right click right here. Cancel. Right
I don't
click
see
here.
it.
Right click on this window.
Okay.
Go down. You see increase. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, increase again one time. Okay, scroll up. Let me see what it gives you. Right, it gives you everything. Okay. Now I see there's basic access. Go down. So this one has Red Hat Enterprise Linux. This Ansible automation platform. Okay, it has Ansible automation platform. So do subscription manager repos dash list. You pipe and grep for Ansible.
Subscription
Manager, the same command, repos space dash list. Pipe and you grep for Ansible. Grep for Ansible.
Okay.
Enter.
I guess it's thinking.
Just wait. Listen. Everyone, if you have the issue, I think you're doing same. Let me not finish and you say, come back to me. It might take a little bit of time, but it will be there.
Okay.
Who has his working already?
Yeah, I can see mine.
I'm
Can see
on the
Ansible.
same level with yeah, same thing.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. You guys, let me see which one is it now. Let me see which one is it now. Let me see. This debug, RPM. Let me see. Ansible Automation Platform 2.2. No, that's 2.0. Ansible 2.3 now. 2.5. Oh, there's 2.5. This is source. No, under x86. x86 64. All right, the last one. You might have the last one, which is the Ansible automation dash platform 2.5 source. I see 2.3. I see 2.5 RPMs in the middle. Do you see that, Leon?
2.5
RPMs around the middle. Can you see that? Right here.
Right here, yep.
No, it's right here. Do you see it?
Okay.
Yes, copy that. Copy just that line. Just Ansible. Copy just that. No. When you're copying something, do not copy the spaces. In Linux, don't always copy the spaces.
Okay.
From the first letter to the last letter, that's it. Okay, it's copied. Great.
I don't have
Is
to hit
everyone?
copy, it just automatically copies?
Yes.
Okay.
I think so. If you've activated it, yeah, it's automatically copied. I think so. Next, what you do is you do subscription manager dash enable substab, yes, dash enable equals to. There's no space. Do repos. Repos enable. I've forgotten repos. Sorry. No. Behind subscription manager repos. Enable dash then you post.
Paste.
Paste it there.
It ain't work. Let me
Okay, copy. You haven't.
hope that work. Enable.
I'm
It's not letting me. It's not letting me. Oh, there we go. There we go. RPMs. Ansible.
Make sure you edit the end too.
Okay.
Enter.
We have to put an equal to sign before Ansible.
No, after Ansible.
You're seeing it on the board right here. Except you don't have two screens.
Yeah, I'm seeing it because I see after enable equal to sign.
Are we good, guys? Damata, are you good?
Not yet. When I type a subscription manager repo that just list and I pipe and grep for Ansible, it's still loading. So I'm waiting. But I'm watching what Leon is doing. So
I'm gonna put it in the chat, y'all.
So Leon, stop sharing.
Okay.
Who wants to share? You send
I
an
put the
update.
command in the chat.
I can't believe we're still doing setup.
Mine was successfully enabled.
Okay.
Can I share or
Mine too
somebody share it?
is enabled. It's working.
If yours is enabled, please just install the package again
Okay.
and tell us the outcome.
My goodness.
Mine's still updating profile information now.
Install Ansible
Yeah, I'm install Ansible Navigator, right?
navigator.
Ansible dash navigator.
Yep.
It says no match found.
It's just say no match found after you install the.
I got the same, no match.
Okay.
Because
Sir, mine
Wait,
is
wait, wait.
is successful.
I don't know if they are typing the right thing.
I'm gonna share again really quick.
Let me see. Yum list. Yum list available. Pipe and grep for. Whose one succeeded?
Mine.
Okay, share your screen.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
Scroll up. Scroll up. Package Ansible dash navigator. Which one did you attach? You attached the 2.4 subscription manager. You attached the 2.4 dash RPM.
This is what I did.
No, yeah, that's fine.
He did a different one. We did 2.5 RPM.
You did it 2.5.
Yeah, I did it 2.5. He did 2.4.
Should we try 2.4?
Enable the 2.4 one. Let me see.
Okay. Disable.
First of all, you can disable the 2.5 one and enable the 2.5. The 2.4. Okay. Do subscription manager dash disable. Disable the other one.
You said that we disable the 2.5.
Yeah, I don't know why, but the 2.5 should have it too, though. The 2.5 should have it too.
Just recall your command and change enable to disable.
So we take the 2.4. Okay.
Okay, let me run it on my own server and see.
I should stop sharing?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Can you copy that? Copy your command, Felix. The one that you enabled, the 2.4. Put it in the chat, please.
Okay, all right.
Okay, yum list available pipe and grep for Ansible dash navigator.
Supposed to do the whole thing, Felix.
Sorry?
So you're supposed to do the whole command.
Oh, the whole command? Okay, all right. Let me just see if I can copy.
Who is sharing? Someone should be sharing right now, right?
No.
Felix, share your screen, Felix.
Okay, sir.
Navigator, still not working.
Share. Share your screen.
Yes, I'm sharing now.
Okay,
Yeah.
do yum list yum repo list space enabled. Let me see the repos that you have enabled. I don't know why the others are facing a problem. Right, you have
He did the 2.4. That's what we're doing now.
Even the 2.5 should have it.
Yeah, because we did 2.5, but it didn't work for us.
I did the 2.4, it didn't work, so.
The 2.4 is not working? When you register, did it got enabled first?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Share your screen. Let me see. Call your command, Philly. Go down again.
Oh, I think the command left. I can have access to it
The
again.
other person that his own is not working, they should share their screen.
Okay, okay. Let me
Whose
stop
one
mine.
is not working?
Muma is not working for him and Leon too.
What error are you getting, Muma?
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So I uninstalled the
Can you share your win, or that's what, your SSH session? Where is it? What are you sharing?
let me look at this. You can see my screen?
Go to your mobile stand.